Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, guys, in this video, I will make the some project that is line follower. Okay, like the name, the play, how to play, like same as the name, line follower. So follow the line. There is track and the first I will block. I will set the code first. Okay. Open the my code and then set line forward. The name. After that, we type logic if true and take logic again. That is this and okay. I forget. If you're not ready or the extension, I forget new extension and this is the link. I will put the link this link in what description. Adding extension already okay. After that, this tiny bit and line sensor direct and sorry in here and put in here too. Okay. Okay. After that, right step again tiny bit and this is for speed. This normally I will just 40 and again 3. Okay. Okay. Copy. I will copy to here. Okay. And this is white. We change to black. This same already. Alright. And copy and paste GRL. This is maybe 60. And this GRL. Okay. Okay. So I will change. Left is for white and right for black. Okay. This for the okay. We will change to spin right. Spin right. Sorry. This is spin left. Okay. 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 And then this is and copy this to stop and change this is 0. Okay. 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 And uh this already down. Okay. Now I will change to okay. Change to the track. I will show to the track and if already transfer I will transfer first to the chip. This is chip. Okay. There this chip. This and I will this tiny bit. Okay. Okay guys. Now I will try the slide flower and this is the track for the tiny bit. Okay. The first you turn on the tiny bit first. Okay. And put on the track slide flower. Okay. Okay, I think this success. This stuck because the first is what the track the wood is not straight and the speed is very fast because that the tiny bit will try stop Stop, always stop. Okay. This. Okay. Maybe just that I can show to you about how to make line forward. And I'm sorry if I have the wrong wrong sentence. Okay, last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.